Don't drop your butt down. Lift it back up. Okay, not too high. Back down. Yeah. Straight line. Head to your toes. There you go.
What does the timer say?
24 seconds.
What?
I know. Longest minute of your life, isn't it?
No. I'm going to beat you.
Not with that butt sagging like that.
This?
Pick your head back up. It's not good for your neck. Butt's a little low. Your back needs to be straight. Straight line from your head to your toe. See how your back's dipped?
Yeah.
Lift that tummy.
Don't talk to me!
Squeeze your tummy. There you go. You got it. Head up. You're a minute in. Don't lose it. You've lost your back.